In this question, you have to point out the part of the nephron that is involved in active reabsorption of sodium. Option A, Bowman's capsule. It is incorrect because Bowman's capsule is involved in the filtration of blood from the glomerular filtrate. Option B, descending limb of loop of Henle. This is also incorrect because the descending limb of Henle's loop is mainly involved in the passive reabsorption of water and not sodium. Option C, distal convoluted tubule. Now, while distal convoluted tubule does actively reabsorb sodium, but its contribution is regulated by hormones like aldosterone, and it is also secondary to the proximal convoluted tubule in terms of the amount of sodium reabsorbed. Hence, it is incorrect. Option D, proximal convoluted tubule. The proximal convoluted tubule is the main site for active reabsorption of sodium because it absorbs approximately 65 to 70% of the filtered sodium along with water and other essential substances using active transport mechanisms. Hence, it is the correct option.